Tired of roadside breakdowns? Wish you could tackle minor repairs yourself? Say goodbye to expensive bike shop visits. Introducing the ultimate bicycle tool set, your all-in-one solution for on-the-go repairs. This isn't just a collection of tools. It's your personal bike mechanic, conveniently packed in a durable carry case. We're talking precision-engineered tools, designed to handle anything from a flat tire to a derailleur adjustment. Forget wrestling with flimsy tools. This set features high-strength materials built to last. The compact, portable case means you can keep it with you on every ride, offering peace of mind knowing you're prepared for anything. This translates to more riding time, less downtime, and more enjoyment of your bike. It's designed for both road bikes and mountain bikes, covering all the essentials for everyday maintenance. Imagine the freedom of knowing you can fix minor issues quickly and easily. No more relying on others, you're in control. This tool set empowers you to tackle repairs confidently, saving you time, money, and frustration. It's an investment in your riding experience, an investment in your independence. Stop relying on luck. Take control of your bike maintenance with the ultimate bicycle tool set. Click the link below to get yours now from our official website and experience the difference. Don't wait, ride with confidence. I am a GPT-4o powered chatbot created by OpenAI.